Hello there. This is my computer. It's a Dell OptiPlex GX1, and it's a Pentium 3, and from back in Windows 98. So, and there's a monitor for it. So there's the power supply for it, and the thing wasn't turning on. My computer wasn't turning on. I was pretty sure it was going to be the power supply. First generation Dell power supplies. That's how they look like. So I was looking at the internet, trying to figure out if how can I check to see if there's a way I can check to see if you can check to see if the power supply is good or not. Now I found a lot of information on the regular power supplies like this one, but there's like a regular power supply. There's the power supply. Now the thing is, with the regular power supplies, what you can do is this guy over here, the motherboard. If you short the green one and the green one to any black one, it will turn it on. So that's for standard power supply. See the green one over there? If you short the green one to the black one, the power supply comes on, and that's how you figure out if your power supply is good or not. But the problem is with the Dell, they have their own proprietary power supply. So what you got to do is, let me show you. Yeah, so with these first generation power supplies, you have to, it's not the green wire anymore. You have to ground the gray wire. See the gray wire right there at the very end? It's this one. It's this guy at the top left. So that gray wire, if you ground that, that's the same as the standard green wire on the other one. So what you got to do is ground that gray wire, and also you have to apply a load on these guys. So in my case, I have two. These are from my car. I changed it to LED, my headlights, and so I have these ones lying around. All you need is a load. So you can either use this, or you can use an old hard drive. So you need an old any old hard drive. So with these lights, I hooked one of them up to the red one, and black one, and the other one to the yellow one. Yellow because so I'll show you. I'm gonna turn it on, and you guys can look and see how it works. So so that's what I'm doing. I'm jumping the see, I'm jumping the gray one to the black one, and we're gonna hook it to the plug, and we're gonna see that it comes on. Okay, I'm getting ready to turn it on, and I'm gonna hook it to the electricity, and bingo, see? It comes on, and the fan works too. And you can see one of the lights are brighter than the other one. That's the 12-volt one. So anyway, that's how you figure out if your power supply is working or not. And that's what I did. I replaced my power supply, and my computer is working now. So that's the first generation Dell power supplies from the back. That's how they look like this. Then the second generation Dell, so there's a second generation Dell. So the second generation have a LED bulb here, and I believe when it's supposed to stay green all the time, unless when it goes orange, that means there's a problem. And obviously, if you turn it on and it's green, that means the power supply is working okay. So that's the second generation, and this came out of a Dell Vostro 200. So let's see, yeah, and let's see what's the pin look like on these guys. Yeah, they don't even have that gray one anymore. Yeah, this is different than the first generation power supplies. Yeah, see, there's no gray at the corner. Yeah, so that's basically it. That's how you check if the power supply works on a Dell or not. Okay, good luck. Have fun.